So let's just see how we can check if a binary tree is balanced or not. So a binary tree will be considered as balanced when for each node the height difference between its left and the right subtree is at most 1. So for each node, if the height difference is less than equal 1, then we can say that our tree is balanced. So like an example, here we have the binary tree. Now for each node we have to calculate the height of the left subtree and the height of the right subtree, and we have to check if their difference is less than equal 1, then we can say that this node is balanced. So here the left subtree has height of 2 and the right subtree has the height of 1, so that difference is 1. So that means we can say that the root node is balanced. So we have to repeat the same process for all of the nodes in our binary tree. So for each node, if we see that the height difference is less than equal 1, then we can say that our binary tree is balanced. So here we have the function isBalanced to check if our tree is balanced or not. So initially we're gonna consider that our tree is balanced, so the balanced is true. Then we're gonna call this check height function and we're gonna pass the root node and the balanced. So here we have the check height, so the function will receive the root node and the isBalanced as parameter. Now first of all we're gonna check if our root is null. So if our tree is empty, that means the height is 0. So in that case we're gonna return 0. Otherwise we're gonna recursively check for the left subtree. So we're gonna recursively call the check height function and we're gonna pass the left node and the isBalanced. And we're gonna recursively check for the right subtree. So we're gonna pass the right node and the isBalanced. So this way, after we perform the check, now after that here we're gonna check if the left height and the right height difference is more than 1, then the isBalanced will be false. So that means the tree is not balanced. Now otherwise we're gonna return the maximum height between the left height and right height. So if the left height is greater than right height, then we're gonna return the left height, otherwise we're gonna return the right height. So we're basically getting the maximum height between them and we're adding 1 to that height. So this way for each node we're gonna compute the height of the left subtree and the right subtree and we're gonna check if they're balanced or not. Now at the end of the function we're gonna simply return the status of the balanced. So this will be our final balance status. So here we have defined the node structure. Then here this is to create one new node. So here we have the isBalanced function and this is our check height function. Now inside the main method we have created the tree with 4 nodes. Now here we can check if the tree is balanced or not. So for that we're gonna call this isBalanced function. So if, then we're gonna call the isBalanced, we're gonna pass the root node. So if the isBalanced is true, so in that case we're gonna print tree is balanced. Otherwise we're gonna print tree not balanced. So you can see it is showing tree is balanced because the difference between the height of the left subtree and the right subtree is less than equal 1. Now if we add another node in our tree, now you can see the left subtree height is now 3 and the right subtree height is 1. So now the difference is 2. So now our tree is unbalanced. So here we have to add another node. So root left, left and left, we're gonna add one new node with the value 5. So now if we check if our tree is balanced or not, you can see it is showing tree not balanced, which is correct. So this way we can use this function and we can check if one binary tree is balanced or not. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.